Okay. Now put
Daddy,
it.
this is a spirit.
All right, now put it in the microwave, buddy.
Daddy, this is a group of spirits so you can learn it from your high school.
Okay.
Five.
Now turn on the microwave, Jake.
I want to press the numbers.
Okay.
Do 14. What, like that? Like 40.
Yeah, do 40, Jake.
Where?
Number 4.
Will four look like that?
Yeah. Oh, it already says 40. Press start. There you go. Now what's happening?
I think Tim's big is gonna. The marshmallow's gonna blow. You're growing. That is a cave space I call goodness weather.
What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think, Jake?
On a cold, snowy day.
Are they big, Jake? How big are they? Whoa! Those are giant marshmallows.
They're humongous, marshmallows.
Okay, Jake, what do you think?